pass from Florian Wirtz. My goodness, has he got an eye for a pass, that young man. Now, Diaby. This time he tees it up for
counter-attack from Leverkusen, and looking now Bailey's run. Oh, great from Diaby. Elvidis deeper, and from that angle.
Good touch from Amiri. Alario. Oh, that's a very sweet pass from Alario. Bailey goes alone, sets it up for Alario. Good block from Kramer.
Yeah, he's starting on the right side. Look at, was Alario's ball to Bailey, and there's again.
Really looking to be a fun one right from the get-go. Bailey curls it beautifully. Oh, right into the corner.
This guy's absolutely on fire. Smart decision to play the 2v1 on the wing, and I don't know whether that was intended as a cross or...
Oh, there's an interception there. Now there's trouble. Bailey makes it two with a gift of a goal. A back pass from hell. Sees Hoffenheim go another goal down. Leon Bailey. What an awful pass.
He was even looking up. Must have missed him completely. It's very unlike Kramaric. Really is.
Bailey with his right foot for a change. Very young, exciting sides. That's lovely stuff from Bailey. Cuts it back. Amiri. Now Wirtz. Wirtz chooses his spot, and that's a great save from Oliver Baumann. Making some extraordinary saves in some games, and this is one of them. That's a really, really good save from Baumann.
I think that was heading for the top corner.
Bailey. Header. That's two, and it's Baumgartlinger again. His shot was saved, but the corner he won with it is put back right on his head. And that was the goal that very well might break Bailey. Just now gone, Leon Bailey looking for a hat-trick. Straight into the arms of Oliver Baumann. No curl this time.
Bailey. Nice interchange with Wirtz. It's Bailey in behind. Oh, brilliant. Great finish from Leon Bailey. And again, it's a patient build-up. There was a little bit of pace on that pass. It was a nice interchange with Wirtz.